Hey guys, this is Mr. G. As you can tell, I'm kind of out of breath. Right now I'm climbing, I believe it's called Mount Kaala. The reason why I'm climbing this one because it's my day off, and I want to climb. I actually climbed this one before, but mainly I wanted to climb it to show you guys for our science lesson, the ahupua'a. Just show you the waianae, the one that our school's located in, by climbing this trail. So here you can show you. So remember, ahupua'a start at the mountaintop, so I think if I'm feeling ambitious enough, I'll climb the top again. I might not. We'll see how it goes. But then, it goes down to the plains and then down to the ocean. So hopefully I can give you a nice perspective of that, and then I can ask you questions on the way while I climb. So again, this is Mount Kaala. I believe this one is the highest peak in Oahu. Might take me, last time this one I climbed, it said it took me 12 seconds to climb the pillbox one. Unfortunately, this one's going to take me a little bit longer. I would say about 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm making 2 minutes. No, honestly, it's probably going to take me like 2 hours. Get up top, I'll try to film some stuff while I go up because it's pretty cool. It's got some ropes. It's kind of a difficult climb, so we'll see how ambitious I am. Also, if you can tell, it's kind of dense in here, and there's a lot of pigs around here. I actually just ran into a hunter with his dogs. He said he didn't see anything today, but to watch out. Last time I was able to bring my knife, but I forgot my knife today, so I don't feel as protected, but it's alright. If I see a pig, I'll film it. I'll make a good video. Alright, I'll see you guys. I'll probably film once I start getting in the woods. Alright, just want to give you a little update. I'm about 15-20 minutes from the last video I sent you. Man, I didn't realize how steep it was. So I'll show you guys what I'm dealing with. So this is where I came from. And this is what I have to deal with. Now the crazy part is, this is the easiest part of the climb. It gets much steeper and more challenging. So see how long I can go. Right now I'm pretty tired. But yeah, this is just so what it is. It's a very steep climb. I am starting to climb a mountain, so I guess you can say this is like the base of the mountain I'm climbing. There's a little rest area up here. I'll sit down and I'll show you. Alright, see you in a few. Okay guys, so I just put on my headgear, just like entering the mountain, I guess, to climb up it. Just wanted to show you what guys I'm walking through right now. It's pretty neat. It's kind of dense. So I'm not sure what these trees are here. These ones who has there's really no bark on them, or very smooth. So curious what trees these are. Maybe we can look this up in class. Just want to give you a couple minutes of what I'm walking through. See and so you can listen to all the birds. Okay guys, I'm going to shut it off for a couple minutes. I was trying to be really quiet so you can hear the birds, hopefully you could. Here's a nice little seat shot. Alright, only another like hour and a half to go. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys. Oh, get a breath. Okay. Filmed this because I saw what I would call a pheasant at home. Oh, it's a good type of bird. Let's see if I can sneak up on it again. I don't see it there. Let's see if I can catch up on it. We go off trail here. Sorry guys, it was a pretty big bird. Probably this big. Little pheasant. Alright, back to the trail. This is seconds after the last video. I just ran up to the bird again. See if I can catch him. Where'd he go? Oh, I don't know if you can see him down there. It's got a brown, got a little bit of a red head. Just took a little break. Showing this is about I'm at my first rope. So this mountain is really steep, and you need ropes to help you climb. So I'm here at my first rope. Man, it's taken me a long time. I'm out of shape. Let's see. Okay, I've done 2.5 miles. It's taking me like an hour 17 minutes. Okay, it's taking me a long time to get up there. See if I can make it to the top or not. But I'm just gonna show you what this rope is like. Okay, here we go. Just making sure it's tight. Here we go. Right, how are we gonna do this here? Oh, almost slipped. Okay, we'll film the rest of this. I think I'm almost to the top. Well, halfway where it levels off. So I'll videotape this portion. Hopefully you guys can't hear how hard I'm breathing, because it's embarrassing. Here's another rope. That one wasn't bad. Okay. So this right here, you see these 3 posts, they call us the halfway point here. So if I was to climb this, follow this trail, it would take me up there. Oh man. It's probably another hour. I don't know if I want to do my thing here or not. But look, just guys take a look at this view. It is amazing. Amazing view. Hi, good, how are you? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. It is, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. I'll give it a shot. If not, I'll come back here and do my thing. A little lesson up here. Alright, okay guys, I'm about like 5 minutes from where my last video was. But I can't really beat this view, so I'm gonna take this time and opportunity to do a little short lesson. Okay, so we're talking about the ahupua'a. And right now I am standing in the ahupua'a of Waianae. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my head. Okay. So this right here, everything you can see is Waianae, ahupua'a. Now sorry, my watch went off. So ahupua'as are formed by what's something called a watershed. A watershed is an area where there are natural boundaries for where the water can run to. So remember, ahupua'as start up on the mountaintop, very narrow, and as they go down, they get wider. So if you guys can see that, it's up top here in the mountain. It's narrow, as it goes down, it gets very, very wide. Now, what here would be the natural boundaries for the watershed? I think it's pretty obvious. These two mountains, see this mountain here, this mountain there, that's the natural boundaries for a watershed. So all this water runs down into here to this valley, and this is the watershed. This is ahupua'a of Waianae. Okay, so we have the mountains areas up here, and as we go down, this flat area, we call this the plains. Okay, so here we would make what? It's a taro, sweet potatoes. Okay, this is where we grow our crops. So the water runs down from the mountains into the valley, where they use it to irrigate their crops. Okay, irrigation is a water system, so it's a way for them to water all their crops. Okay, and as we go down farther, the last one we have is the ocean. Okay, the ocean, what do we get there? I think it's obvious. We get what? Fish. Okay, we get fish and other supplies. So all of this is connected. Okay, all of this is connected. And one cool thing I learned from Miss Whitsett, I got it correct. So water was very valuable. Okay, the Hawaiian word for water is called vai, and the word vai means rich. Okay, so water back then, if you had water, a lot of water, it means you're very wealthy, very, very fortunate. Okay, so water was an essential. Also up on the mountains, so what's so important about the areas other than where the water runs down from the mountains? What else was important about these mountains? I don't know if you can see, what are these mountains covered with? Okay, trees, and a specific tree that I believe is mentioned in the PowerPoint was a koa tree. So these trees were used to make and carve out canoes. Okay, so all of this land was used. They took very good care of it. They respected the land. They lived off of it. They took care of the land took care of them. Okay. So just taking a quick shot. I'll do a little spin. So again, as I said, I'm standing on the boundary of Waianae, ahupua'a. I'm not sure what's on the right side. Remember, there's six of them on Oahu. I'm not sure what's to the right or to the left. I'm gonna have to look it up, or maybe we can answer in a class all the different ones. I believe there's 6 of them. Okay. So I'm gonna go a little bit further. There's a really cool boulder up here I gotta climb, and it's a little tricky. So I'll videotape that, and then I'll probably come back down, and then I'll work my way down and talk about some of the other stuff. Okay. All right. See you guys in a little bit. I'm here at the first boulder. It's probably the trickiest part of the climb. We'll see when I get to the top what I feel like. If I want to keep going or turn around. Right now I'm pretty tired, hungry. It's a beautiful day. Want to go to hang on. I don't know. I'd rather be taking a nap or laying on the beach right now. Okay, I'm gonna show you this first boulder if I make it. If not, if I fall down, this is where I go. Okay. Really no safety nets. I'm all up here by myself. Okay, so you don't hear from me. Hopefully someone finds this video and you guys can watch it. Okay, here we go. That was a loud clap. Hold on, I want to make sure this is actually recording. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, that wasn't bad. See if I would fell off. I would land over there. Okay, there's one more boulder. I'm gonna stop us because I hear people coming. Okay, now this is the trickiest boulder. Alright, let's see if we can do it. How'd you do this last time? Okay, here we go. Oh, give me a second. I'm not sure how to approach this. Where do you put your foot at? Okay. I'm just gonna make a leap here. Oh, that hurts. Oh, jeez. Hope you guys can see that. Nice climb. Also, I started way down there, and I'm pretty tired. Okay, I'm gonna take a break right here for a second. Okay, guys, because all I can think about right now is turn around, going back down, going home, relaxing, going to the beach. Okay, I'm tired. I'm hot, hungry, thirsty. But here's the other thing. A little bit of a lesson. So all the way down there, it's easy for me to say, you know what? I want to get to the top, I'll make it to the top, that's my goal. But as I go along, I'm getting tired. I'm sure along the videos, along the way, keep making excuses, I'm tired. All these things, okay? All those are excuses though, but I made a goal. So how can I expect you guys, I guess, if you guys make goals, and you don't reach them, for me to say, okay, you made a goal, you need to reach it, you need to push through it, you need to persevere, but then I don't do it myself. What's that saying? Okay, so because of you guys, I'm going to persevere, I'm going to tough it out. I'm going to make it to the top for you guys, and then we'll get a nice picture up there. But yeah, let's do this.
Waking up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is for living. With you, I've made my decision. You lift me up, fill my eyes with
love? If it was, am I living it? Do I live in it? So astounding. Love is an ocean, you can drown me. The sweet embrace, the lovely taste, I taste and see. I'm under grace, the place to be. It means I don't never need an umbrella. I'm cool in the cold, in the hot weather. Whether or never I ever understand, I'm a man in the hands of great plans. I stand with faith there in a life I never known to touch. And still outside my clutch, but I'm like, what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the doubt for? Live to no end. This is living. The life I've been given's a gift. If I'm a living, I'ma live it to death. So what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the doubt for? And live to no end. This is living. The life I've been given's a gift. If I'm a living, I'ma live it to death. Yeah.
Okay guys, I made it. Victory. Okay, so look at this sign here. So what's going on here? Whoa, you take it. So ahupua'a, I can't read. It's home to an amazing variety of native forest plants and animals, including many endangered species. Unfortunately, non-native plant species such as invasive moss, I'm not sure what kind of moss that is, are also present, and that is not native to Oahu, and its presence threatens the stability of this fragile wet forest ecosystem. Okay, so here we're going to go into the Ahupua'a Natural Area Reserve. So here we can hike, but there's only certain places you can hike. Up here there's certain native plants up here that only grow up here. So it says please brush your boots before entering. Okay, so weed seeds on your muddy boots can spread. So I wanna make sure I wipe those off. Okay, I'm just gonna go up here a little bit, then I'm gonna turn around. If you walk the whole way across here, you can see the other side of the island. But I just want to focus on this side. Okay, so I'll walk through here. Man, it feels good. I'll be at the top. Oh! Oh! Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. I slipped in the mud. My boot is completely soaked in mud. Oh. Here's a nice little shot. So here I am at that preserve. It's on the very, very top of the mountain. Okay, so remember, so right now you're at the very highest point on Oahu, and on the very highest point there's some very cool moss things. So if you look only walk on this path. Okay, so I'm going to walk a little bit. Here I'm going to turn around just to show you what's up here. Sorry guys, I'm just stopping real quick. There's some buckets here. It says MTK 150. I'm a little curious because today is Martin Luther King Day. I don't know if they had some kind of thing up here. Not sure about that. So let's go a little bit farther. So we made it to the top. That's a little natural forest ecosystem up here. Yeah, I made it. Made my goal. Was it tough? Yeah. Yeah, it was tough. I'm tired. I am starving. But I pushed through. I persevered. Okay. I didn't want to do it. I wanted to give up a bunch of times to turn around. But I didn't. Okay. So when you guys come to like taking tests, it's the same thing. Okay. Doing homework, studying. Man, you don't want to study. You don't want to put the work in. Okay. We gotta push through. Meet your goals. It feels great. Okay. But here's the thing about my goal. Yeah, I made it to the top. Okay, it took me 2 hours, a little over 2 hours to make it to the top. But I gotta go back down. Okay, I'm not done with my goal. Yeah, I made it to the top, but in order for me to get home, sit on the beach, eat some food, I gotta go the whole way back down. Okay, so part of that videotape going down. Okay, because going down, yeah, it's easier. But it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. All right. Okay, guys, this will probably be the last video I'm gonna show on the way down. Till we get to like the last, I believe it's called the Ili. The sections of the ahupua'a. But this is what I gotta deal with. I gotta go the whole way down now, using these ropes and stuff. So when you go down using ropes, like down a mountain, it's called rappelling, kind of. Usually rappelling, you're going down like the face of a mountain. Okay, but yeah, this is what I gotta do. Gotta walk backwards. The rope kind of in between my legs. Slowly go down. Ah, oh, just smacked me out with the leaf. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna take me a while to get down. Alright, I'll see you down at the beach. I finally made it. I made it down the mountain. It took me a long time. But here we're at the, so we have the mountains up top and the plains, and then last one we have the beach. So here I'm at my beach. Okay. Yeah, I think probably the beach is probably the best place to live in the ahupua'a. You have fish, so you can make like fish ponds and stuff here, so you can have a nice stash of fish whenever you wanted to get them. Okay, but right now I'm gonna go take a dip to go for a swim. I'm gonna take this camera with me, and that will be the end of our little film. All right. Oh, good. Got to time it right though. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Okay, guys. That's it for the film. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a little bit more about the ahupua'a. By the way, I hope I'm saying that right. All right, see ya. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.